Here's the truth nobody tells you. 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. But the people who escape that cycle all do one thing first: they save their first $1,000. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, even if you feel like you have no money left at the end of the month. Why $1,000? Because it's the amount that keeps you from going into debt when life happens, when your car breaks down, your phone dies, or an unexpected bill hits. Most people think saving $1,000 is impossible, but it isn't. Step 1. Find your money leaks. Pull out your bank statement and review every charge. You'll likely find forgotten subscriptions, a $30 a news gym membership, a $15 streaming service, or a $10 free trial that auto-renewed. Then look at small daily habits. $5 coffees every workday add up to $100 a month. Lunch out can cost another $200. DoorDash twice a week is around $160. I'm not telling you to quit these things forever, just track them for 1 month. You'll uncover $100, $300 you didn't know you were losing, which alone can get you to $1,000 in a few months. Step 2. The 20% rule, but backwards. Traditional advice says save 20% of your income, but if you're living paycheck to paycheck, that feels impossible, so start with 5%. If you make $2,000 a month, save $100 and pay yourself first. The moment your paycheck hits, automatically move $100 to savings. Not at the end of the month. First, you won't miss money you never had. Once you hit $500, you'll feel motivated and can increase your percentage. Step 3. Add small income boosts. You don't need a big side hustle, just an extra $50 to $100 a month. Sell things you don't use. A $40 jacket with tags, $40, $60 in old video games, $100 exercise gear, or do a full declutter weekend and make $200, $500. Then pick one micro income stream. Dog walking for $150 a month, a few freelance gigs for $100, $150, tutoring kids online for $80, or surveys during your commute for $30, $80. Even $100 extra per month cuts your saving time in half. Step 4. Automate your savings, because willpower doesn't work. Set up an automatic transfer on payday, $50, $100, whatever your number is, and use a high-yield savings account. Unlike normal accounts that pay almost nothing, high-yield accounts pay for 5%, which gives you an extra $40, $50 a year on $1,000 for doing nothing. Keep this account at a different bank so it's slightly harder to access, out of sight, out of temptation. Here's the real truth. Saving your first $1,000 isn't about the money. It's about proving to yourself that you can set a goal and reach it. Once you hit $1,000, you start thinking, if I can save $1,000, I can save $5,000. If I can save $5,000, I can invest. And if I can invest, I can build wealth. So pick one action today: cancel one subscription, set up one automatic transfer, or sell one item this weekend. Your first $1,000 is waiting. The only question is how fast you want to reach it.